Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and today I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet stitch. This is my double crochet swatch right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's get started. Materials that we're going to be using is our hook. I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn. The yarn that I'll be using is by Red Heart. We're going to make a slip knot. I make my slip knot by putting my hook under my yarn, and then I rotate it or twist it around, and then I yarn over, and then I pull through just like that. And so we're going to make foundation chains. So I'm going to make 22 foundation chains. So I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to pull through just like that. Yarn over and pull through. These are chains. Yarn over and pull through. So I just made 22 foundation chains. So this is how my chains are looking. We're going to insert our hook into our fourth chain. So we're going to yarn over, and then you're going to count to 4, and then you're going to place your hook into that chain just like that. Then you're going to yarn over, then you're going to pull through, then you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through, then you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull through just like that. So let's do that again. We're going to yarn over, and then we're going to place double crochets in all of our chain. So the next one, you're going to insert your hook, you're going to yarn over, then you're going to pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, then you're going to yarn over. Now you have 4, and then you're going to go through 2 just like that. Now we have 2, so we're going to yarn over again, and then we're going to pull through those loops just like that. So this is how our double crochets are coming out. Then you're going to yarn over, then you're going to insert your hook into the next chain just like that. You're going to yarn over, then you're going to pull through, you're going to yarn over, then you're going to pull through 2, yarn over, and then we're going to pull through 2 just like that. And so we're going to continue all the way to the end doing that. So this is our first row of double crochet. This is how it's looking. So for our second row, we're going to chain 3, and to do so, we're going to yarn over and do 1 chain, yarn over again, 2, yarn over again, 3. Then we're going to turn our work. So these 3 chains act as a double crochet. So we're not going to put our hook in this first stitch since this is what our 3 chains are on. So we're going to go into the second stitch, which is this one. So we're not doing this one that our hook is on, we're doing the next one. So we're going to yarn over, skip this one, and then we're going to go into the second one, and then we're going to pull through, then we're going to yarn over, then we're going to pull through, then we yarn over, and then we pull through. Yarn over, insert our hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we're going to continue doing that all the way to the end, okay? So this ends our second row of double crochet. I'm coming to an end. I have 1 more stitch before my chain 3. So this is my chain 3. So I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to place my hook in that chain just like that. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's the ending of round 4. To end, we're going to yarn over and make a chain 1 just like that, and then we're going to cut our yarn just like that, and then we're going to pull through, and then tighten our yarn. So that's all for today's video. I hope it was useful and helpful, and I want you to know that you are phenomenal. Thank you for watching.